Welcome to Learn Mathematics with Moni. Get your books and pen and get ready to learn. Welcome to the class for equivalent fractions. Two fractions are said to be equivalent, which means they are said to be equal if the same action is happening to the top and the bottom of that fraction. If you multiply the numerator by 2 and you multiply the denominator by 2, the resulting fraction is equivalent to the parent fraction. Let's see what I am saying. I have 1 over 2. I want to obtain 3 fractions equivalent to 1 over 2. Let us obtain 3 fractions that are equivalent to 1 over 2. 1 over 2 is the parent fraction. For me to obtain the next fraction that will be equivalent to it, I'll multiply both the numerator and denominator by 2. You can see that the same action is happening to both. I can also multiply, this is still my 1 over 2, multiply the numerator and denominator by 3. The same thing is happening to them. I can take the third one. This is my 1 over 2, multiply the top and the bottom by 4. So that I have 1 over 2 is the same thing as 1 over 2, 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4. So 1 over 2 is equal to 2 over 4. That means 1 over 2 and 2 over 4 are equivalent fractions. And they are also equal to 1 times 3, 3 over 2 times 3, 6. This is also equal to 1 times 4, 4 over 2 times 4, 8. 1 over 2 is equal to 2 over 4, is equal to 3 over 6, is equal to 4 over 8. They are all equal. Look at this. If I reduce 2 over 4 to the lowest term, 2 divides 2, what? 2 divides 4, 2. You can see that I got back to my 1 over 2. Look at my 3 over 6. Reducing it to the lowest term. 3 divides 3 once. 3 divides 6 twice. Getting me back to 1 over 2. Then my 4 over 8. 4 divides 4 once. 4 divides 8 twice. That is 1 over 2 as well. I want to ask you, is 6 over 12 an equivalent fraction of 1 over 2? Think about it. Is 6 over 12 equivalent to 1 over 2? Let us find out. 6 divides 6 once. 6 divides 12 twice. So 6 over 12 is also equal to 1 over 2. So they are all equivalent fractions. Let's see these questions. We can have questions like this. Complete the following fractions. You may have 1 over 2 equals to something over 10. 1 over 2 equals to something over 10. What this means is that the same thing has happened to 1 and 2. But when that thing happened to 2, it made it 10. The only thing that could have happened to 2 to get it bigger is multiplication. 2 has been multiplied by a particular number, which is 5. 2 times 5 gave 10. For the two fractions to be equivalent, the same thing must happen to the numerator. The times 5 that happened to the denominator must happen to the numerator. So 2 times 5 is 10. 1 times 5 is 5. That means 1 over 2 is equal to 5 over 10. Let's see another example. Let's look at 3 over 7 is equal to 21 over something. Look at this. 3 has grown bigger. It has grown from 3 to 21. That is multiplication. Multiplication has made 3 to grow bigger. Then for the 7, it must grow bigger too by multiplication. What happened to 3 that made it 21? That is 3 times 7. The same thing that happened to the numerator must happen to the denominator. While 3 times 7 grew to 21, 7 times 7 will grow to 49. Let's take some more examples. Look at this. I have 5 over 18 is equal to, let's leave the top as unknown, over 72. Look at this. 18 has grown to 72. The only operation that makes grow with equivalent fraction is multiplication. So 18 times what is 72? That is 18 times 4. The same thing that happened to the denominator must happen to the numerator. So this will also be times 4. While 18 times 4 grew bigger to 72, 5 times 4 will grow to become 20. So these are equivalent fractions and how to solve them. There are some cases where we have fractions shrinking. Here we have fractions growing to have a bigger fraction.
You need to pause right now. Go right now and subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification button so that you can be notified anytime I drop new lesson. Thank you.
There is also possibility that we have the fractions shrinking. Like, let me take my question, example 4. That I have 5 over 10. Let me take 7 over 14, shrinking to something over 2. You can see that the 14 has shrunk to 2. The only operation that makes equivalent fraction shrink is division. The opposite of multiplication, division. While multiplication makes fraction grow, division makes fraction shrink. That means this 14 has been divided by something that has made it shrunk to 2. So the 7 must also be divided by that same thing to make it shrink. So 14 divided by what is 2? 14 divided by 7 is 2. So we have to divide the numerator by 7 also. While 14 divided by 7 is 2, 7 divided by 7 is 1. That means 7 over 14 is equal to 1 over 2. Let's see another situation where I have 17 over 20. Okay, we are looking at shrinking now. We are looking at shrinking. Let me look at 21 over 51. Shrinking to some 7 over something. Look at this case. I have 21 over 51. The 21 has shrunk to 7. The operations that make equivalent fractions shrink is division. So it means this 21 has been divided and the 51 must be divided also. 21 divided by what is 7? 21 divided by 3 is 7. That same 3 must divide 51 for me to get the equivalence. While 21 divided by 3 is 7, 51 divided by 3 is 17. 3 in 5. 1, remaining 2. You put that 2 beside it, 1, you have 21. 3 in 21 gives you 7. So, this is how equivalent fractions are arrived at. Let us look at another example about the shrinking. Let's say I have, let me take the numerator again. In this case, let me have 20 over 100 equals to something over 5. Look at this. The 100 has shrunk to 5. That is division. It is only division that will make a fraction shrink this way. So 100 divided by what will give us 5? That is 100 divided by 20. The same thing that divided the denominator must divide the numerator. 100 divided by 20 gives 5. 20 divided by 20 is 1. That means 20 over 100 is equals to 1 over 5. I hope you understand how to solve equivalent fraction using these examples of growing by multiplication and of shrinking by division operation. Good. Let us go into reducing fraction to lowest term.
Thank you for learning mathematics with Moni today. Do you know you are free to share my videos with your classmates, your colleagues, your friends, your cousins? Do that right now and be a blessing to them and to me.